This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is Volvo ES90. It's the flagship of Volvo along with the EX90. And it's a 5-meter long beast from the east. So what we need to find out is how much space do we have in here? This car cost almost 1 million NOK. And it's even just a poor man's Volvo. There's a more expensive car with bigger battery and all-wheel drive. This is just a rear-wheel drive. Okay, now, yeah. So I need to bring some of the toddlers with me. Okay, first let's check out the front. It's what I will show you here. To open the front, you pull this twice and then we can open the hood. Achtung, Achtung! And then here we have, there, yes. So we actually have a tiny frunk, but you cannot really use it for anything. Just to show you that, oh, Isabel brought the banana box. Oh, good girl, thank you. But it's not gonna fit here, Isabel. You can maybe fit a small backpack, that's pretty much it. So, all right, so 0 in the front. You see, this is just a sedan, shouldn't have that much space. However, we have the big opening, so that's good. Yeah. Sorry for all the noise, but you know that when she's making lots of noise like that, that means she's happy. Yeah. So we have to take down this like this. Okay, she wants to be in here. So you see, it has a big trunk. Yeah, you can store several kids in here. Yeah, when you want to kidnap them. Okay. Hop. But it doesn't have the biggest trunk for a sedan. I even got the impression that the ID7 was bigger. Yeah, the fastback. But here we have a lid, so we can store something, but it's not that big. Yeah, that's what she said. So wait, we can fold this, but okay, whatever. Just gonna leave it like that and just see how many banana boxes get in here. So we have some Swedish hooks here. Also on that side. We have this, you can actually lower the suspension. Wait, not sure if it. Yeah, it lowered it. And then here we have 12 outlets. Only in the back, not in the front. And that's pretty much it with this car. But you see the back seats, they can go more upright or actually recline. And that's the most upright position. And then, well, it's like there. That's the most upright position. So it's kind of church bench, but you get more space in the trunk. All right, because of the shape of the trunk, we have some limitation how many boxes we can fit in here. And it can actually only be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I tried 7, but no matter what I tried, it was not possible. I tried the standing up here, the whatever, it was impossible. Yeah. So, okay, 6 then. When they fold the seats, they go quite flat. But however, the headrest here is fixed and you cannot remove them, none of them. So that is a little bit minus. We have actually really good leg room, but I think because of the headrest, then you cannot put the banana box like laying down. You have to put them up. Oh, the kids are outside now. Let me show you here the suspension. Once you close the trunk, takes a couple of seconds, and then goes up again. Huh? Noise. Wait. Why does it look like the rear is taller than the front? Okay, whatever. But yeah, so I tried to pack as many as possible. Let me see if I can open the door here. Kinda. Yeah. See, well, in this test, it's not optimal because we use banana boxes, but there is actually really good leg room there. And also we have the glass roof, so we can also utilize that all the way to the top. But then the sloping back here, the sexy back here, eats some of that space. Okay, let's turn up the pitch, lower the suspension. Nice. And then start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21, 22 only. Well, for 5 meter long car, that is not very good. Model S can take more. EQS, well, that's a longer car, can take more. But also ID7 fastback can take more. But then the BMW i5 can take way less. So, I mean, in the sedan class, we have various, a big span of how many boxes we can take. But I'd say this is more like in the middle of how much space we have, at least for banana boxes. For passenger, it's wonderful. Okay, anyway, that's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.